Morning everybody. Today discuss question number 8 of exercise 12.2. So question is, a horse is tried to peg at one corner of a square shaped grass field of side 15 meter by means of 5-meter long rope. Here this is rope. See in given figure, find the area of that part of the field in which the horse can grass. This area horse can grass. The increased area in the grazing area of the rope when 10-meter long increased of 5 meter. If the rope is increased 5 to 10 meter, so find the increases area. Use pi is equal to 3.14. Solution: let r is equal to 5 meter. This is the length of rope, and theta is equal to 90 degree. This is a corner of a square field. So all angle of a square is 90 degree. Area of grass by horse equal area of sector. So area of sector is theta upon 360 degree into pi r square. What is the value of theta? Theta is 90 degrees. Put the value of theta is 90 degree upon 360 into pi is 3.14, because here given use pi is equal to 3.14. So r is 5. So here is square. So 5 into 5. Divide this 4 times. This value is 3.14 into 5. So 5 into 5 is 25. Multiply there. So this is 78.5 upon 4. Divide this. This is 19.625 meter square. Second, if length of rope 10 meter, then area of grazing by horse theta upon 360 degree into pi r square. R is equal to 10 meter. So here put the value simply. This is 10 because the radius here 10 meter. So 4, 2 2 ja 4, 2 5 ja 10, 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 2, or 2 2 ja 2, 5 ja 10. So here 3.14 into 25. So multiply, this is 78.5 meter square. Increasing grazing area, that 78.5 minus 19.625, subtract here, this is 58.875 meter square. This is answer. Next is a brooch in made with silver wire. Brooch means a jewelry as a jewelry in the form of the circle with diameter 35 meter. This diameter is 35 meter. The wire is also used in making 5 diameters. So this diameters make the also wire which divide the circles into 10 equal parts. 1 2 3 4 5. This part has 10 equal parts, 10 equal sectors as shown in this figure. Fine. Total length of silver wire required. The area of each sector of brooch used pi is equal to 22 upon 7. Solution: here diameter is 35 mm and radius is 35 upon 2. We also know that the half of diameter is radius. Circumference of brooch is 2 pi r. So put the value. Pi is 22 upon 7. Radius is 35 upon 2. 7 5 ja 35, or 2 cancel out. So this is 22 into 5. 22 into 5 is 110 mm. Length of 5 diameters is equal to 5 into 35. Length of diameter is also 35 mm. So multiplies 175 mm. Now length of wire required is 110 plus 175. This is the total length of wire. So 285 mm. Second is 10 sectors in figure or broach. Then angle is 360 upon 10 divided by equal 10 parts. So this is 36 degree. Area of each sector is theta upon 360 into pi r square. So divide here. So this is 10 times. So 5, 7 divided this value 5 times. 5 2 is 10 and 5 1 is 5 or 2 11 is 22. So here remaining 11 into 35 upon 4. 2 into 2 is 4. So here multiplies 385 divided by 4. So this is 96.25 mm square. Next question. Next question is 10th question. An umbrella has 8 ribs which are equally spaced in this figure. Assuming umbrella to be a flat circle, if this umbrella is flat circle of radius 45 centimeter, find the area between the two consecutive ribs of the umbrella. In this ribs any two consecutive ribs. There are 8 ribs in umbrella. Then angle between two consecutive ribs is theta equal 360 upon 8, because the 8 ribs divided in equal parts. So divided 8. So this is 45 degree and radius is also given 45 centimeters. So this is 45 centimeter. Area between two consecutive ribs is theta upon 360 degree into pi r square. So what is theta? Theta is 45 degree. This is divided 8 times. 2 divide here. This is 11. This is 4. So value is 11 into 45 into 45 is 25. Also square of 45 is 2025. So this is multiply. Total is 22275 divided by 28. Complete divide is 795.54 centimeter square. This is answer. Next question. 2 born ships from underwater Roxal lighthouse. Speeder spreads red colored light over a sector of angle 80 degree to a distance of 16.5 kilometer. Find the area of the sea over which the ships whirl. So here this is lighthouse. So this is angle between here, angle of lights color here is 80 degree. This sector 80 degree. So this is 80 degree. So here r is equal to 16.5 kilometer and theta is equal to 80 degree. Area of sector is equal to theta upon 360 into pi r square. Theta is 80 upon 360 divide 40. 42 is 80 or 49 is 360. So this is 2 upon 9 into 3.14 into 16.5 16.5. So this is value same and 9 is divided. So complete multiply is 1709.73 divided by 9. So here value is 189.97 kilometer square. So next question. Question 13. A round table covered has 6 equal designs as shown in figure. In this figure, this is equal design 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is designs. If the radius of cover is 28 centimeter, find the cost of making the design at the rate of 0.35 per centimeter square. Use root 3 is equal to 1.7. Here all design are segments. This segment is the designs. of the circle. In this figure, 6 equal parts, then theta is equal to 360 upon 6. So this is 60 degree, and radius also given is 28. So this is 28 centimeter. First we will find the area of triangle AOB. AOB. So here angle OAB is equal to OBA, because this radius equal, so this is also equal angle. We also know that sum of all interior angle of a triangle is 180 degree. This statement also proved in previous class, means 9th class. So both are equal, so this is 2 times, and this value is 360 degree, not 360. This is 60 degree, so put the value of 60 degree. This value transfer here, minus this is 120 divided by 2, so this is 60 degree completely. Therefore triangle AOB is the equilateral triangle, because all angle are 60 degree. So this triangle is equilateral triangle. So we also know that the area of equilateral triangle is root 3 upon 4 into side square. So put the value of side is 28, the here is square, so this is 28 into 28, 4 7 is 28. So here root 3 is also given here, 1.7. So put the value of 1.7 into 7, this 7 into 28 completely is 3.2 centimeter square. Area of sector 3, theta upon 360 degree into pi r square. Theta is 60 degree, put the value here. So divide is completely this value, multiply this is this, divide by 3. So this is value 410.66. Therefore area of region 6 into, because the 6 region, so 6 into this value minus area of triangle. So 6 into 7746, multiply this is 464 into 76 centimeters. Cost of making design is 0.35 rupees per centimeter square. So total cost is, multiply this in this area, this is answer. And last question is objective type. Here take the correct option is following. Area of sector of angle is P, because theta is P, in degree of circle with radius r is r. Then for answer is, because we also know that area of sector is theta upon 360 degree into pi r square. Here theta is P, so 360 degree into pi r square, so pi r capital R square. This formula here, no, this option, this is 360 but here 180, so this is no, this is 360 but this is not pi r square, so this is wrong. This is correct, because if the multiply by 2 numerator and denominator, so this is P upon 720 into 2 pi r square. So correct answer is D. Thank you. Your homework is solve the examples, and question number 10 also 11 in your homework. If you any problem, so comment in box. Thank you.